fair people today. I'm playing some good old Chainsaw Man's Devil Hearts. Devil that you know. As you can see, I'm already well, I'm already I've already played this game. Okay. A few times actually. It was like another account I made before this one. Yeah. I was a hybrid. I was a whip devil. Pretty cool. Now I'm just gonna show you what I do on a daily basis. Hey, I'm gonna try to goals. Here's some goals to do. Okay? Oh. I'm gonna try to complete 2 quests and kill some people.
Please. Hey man,
So yeah. Let's do this. I'm pretty sure this may or may not be turned to a series. I don't know if this will.
please help.
Ow.
Someone, please help.
Yep. How are you not dead yet? Oh my god! Oh! Are you kidding me? Dude! Dang it. Well, that just happened. I'm not going down well fight. This prick. Alright, where is he? Okay, well, if I ever see him again, I'm gonna go try to kill him. Try too much, I'm going to. Get out of here. Okay, well. Killed 2 fiends. There's one. Hi, mister. Wait. So you gotta be very close to this fiend. Always be ready to block. Always be ready to dodge, boy. Don't, then you're royally cooked. I forgot how much damage he does. I gotta get away from him. What in the world? Get away from me. Oh god. Let's go. 1 quest completed. Heh. I'm almost done. 3. Sure. Is that power? There you go. What the heck? Yo, man, I was just... Wow, this feels so good. God dang it. You get over here. Oopsie. Ow. I have yet to find the devil heart. Kinda sucks, but hey. Beggars can't be givers. Wait, no. Givers can't, or whatever how the saying goes. I don't know. No, you don't. Oh no! Oh, okay. Yo, oh god, no. That changed everything. You see, in this game, when there's a power difference, oh boy, there's a power difference. Power difference definitely become... Oh god, dude. Losing. Boom. Let's go and kill somebody. Let's have the double heart too. That's just crazy. I killed a hybrid. Oh my god, I killed a hybrid. Freaking awesome. Okay. What in the world is up with that? Ah! I don't know if I can do that. I guess I'm just that strong. Yeah. Huh. Right this? I don't think so. Alright. Huh. Devil art. Devil art. No devil art. Huh. Or what? I can mouse over here, like, stop. Huh. Can you stop? I know that's like a whole deal, but stop!
That's disgusting.
Alright. Oh god dang it. I didn't want to fight, dude. Like, how can you say anybody will truly wants to get up? God, why does everybody have a devil art? Why do I keep finding the same? Why do I keep finding the same things over and over again? Oh no. Oh my god. Nope. I'll move. Ooh, far away. Heh. Well. Dang it. Dang it. Try to get up there. There you go. Boom. Alright. So this is a good place to end off this video. So yes, I will be continuing the series. So yes, I will be continuing the series. So yeah, this is the end.